Einen sehr frischen guten Morgen. A very fresh good morning to all my lovely students. This is your German teacher Urvashi Sharma. So, we are about to complete chapter number 4, right? And this is my request to all, please complete your work along with us, along with our videos. If you will have any queries in any question, you know what you have to do. This is what you are doing since the beginning. You have to write in the comment section below. You may ask your queries on my YouTube channel. And one more thing is there, many of you are frequently asking what you have to do in notebook, or is there specific assignment. Beta, if there will be specific assignment, we'll notify you through our videos. But whatsoever we are doing in videos from Erbeit's book or from Layer book need not to be done in German notebook, because what you have to do in German notebook, that is the beginning of the chapter, that is paragraph translation and the question answer, right? This is what we have done. Grammar is already given, so you don't need to do the same in German notebook. This is something repetitively you are doing the same thing, and you have a lot of stress nowadays. So what you have to do, we are about to complete chapter number 4. From chapter number 4, you have to do that translation, that conversation we have done, and question answer. That's it, nothing else. And today I'm gonna start with your Erbeit's book. Okay, a few more questions are left from Erbeit's book, so today we'll complete the same. After then we will complete this chapter, and I will suggest you all to please revise each and everything with us only, because otherwise it will be a problem for you all. Okay, and if you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, hit the like button below and press the bell icon for further updates. So without wasting further, let's start. So students, in my last 2 videos I have explained to you all about das Perfekt, and today I'm gonna start with the Erbeit's book. So as you can see, and you can read the question, bilden Sie das Perfekt. So here we have to change these normal sentences into past tense. So how we will make them? Rule number 1 is you have to add haben or sein, and you have to add these two. You have to write main verb at last by changing. Okay, like as you can see, the first point, hat by Siemens, arbeitet by Siemens. This is my verb here. It will come at last, and here at the place of second position I will write my helping verb. So I will write hat same by same Siemens, but this is my verb, it has to come at last, so it will get change, gearbeitet. You can change, or you can have a look on these verbs in your main book. They are already given. Übst du die Gitarre? As you can see in this question, we have a question mark. So this is my verb. Whenever we have a question, the verb is given at first position, and whenever we have a normal sentence, the verb is given at second position. But in both the cases, the verb, whenever we have a question, the verb is given at first position, and whenever we have a normal sentence, the verb is given at second position. But in both the cases, the verb will go at last. So we will write, here we have the subject du, focus on subject also. Hast du die Gitarre geübt? That's it. He worked by Siemens. He has worked by Siemens. Siemens is a company. Do you play guitar? Have you played a guitar? Next, marked viele Fehler. Ab here, which one is the verb? This is my verb and this is my subject. I will write hat viele Fehler, and this is my verb machen. Machen will come at last. Hat viele Fehler gemacht. Der Zug hat eine Verspätung. A train has a delay. This is my verb. It will go at last and rest will remain same. Der Zug hat eine subject ish के साथ haben will become habe, ich habe, same ihm. Sofort Antwort will become geantwortet. So I'm just helping you out with 5 other parts. These will be your homework. This is my verb, this is my verb, this is my verb, this is my verb, and this is my verb. This is my subject, this is my subject, 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 and subject. So what will you do? You will write down these verb at last. Rest of the sentence will remain same, and the second position will be taken by helping verb. And make sure that in this part the helping verb will come at last, because here we have a question. Okay, so please try to attempt this on your own, and please have a look in the last of this video. I have given the solution of question answer, which you have to do in your German notebook positively. In my next video, we'll continue with another exercise of the chapter, this one. Till then, bye bye. Stay home and stay safe, everybody. Now, one by one, I'm gonna explain each and every question to you, and then I will explain answer as well. So first question is, warum langweilt sich Manuela, which means why Manuela was getting bored. So as you can see the answer, sie war allein zu Hause, that means she was alone at home. Deshalb fühlte sich langweilig, which means that's why she was getting bored. Second, wer muss noch für die Prüfung lernen? Who must learn for the exam? You know this answer very well. Anna is the one who has to learn for the exam. Third, wohin ist Anna gestern gegangen? Wohin means where. She has gone yesterday. So answer will be Anna ist gestern zum ihrer Tante gegangen, which means she went to her aunt yesterday. Next, wie ist sie dorthin gefahren, which means how she has gone there. So answer will be she has gone with a car, yeah, by a car. Fifth, was haben die Kinder gemacht? What have the children done? Die Kinder haben etwas Interessantes. She has gone there. So answer will be she has gone with a car, yeah, by a car. Fifth, was haben die Kinder gemacht? What have the children done? Die Kinder haben etwas Interessantes gemacht, which means the children have done something interesting. And last, wann treffen sich die Freundinnen, which means when the friends will meet. Answer, sie werden sich morgen früh treffen, which means they will meet tomorrow morning. I have one more request. Please observe the pattern of the questions. In this you can see question number 3, 4, 5, and yes, these 3 questions are given in the perfect. Ist this my helping verb coming at second? Wie ist my helping verb coming at ist this my helping verb in fourth also, and haben is my helping verb in fifth. So helping verb always comes at second position, and the main verb which is given in perfect always comes at last position. So please complete this in your German notebook, and please complete